This Faceless YouTube channel is making huge money every month with extremely simple horror story videos. Some of their most popular ones even reach 30 million views. According to Social Blade, they make up to $51,000 every month. I will show you how you can easily make storytelling videos a day with the combined power of Chat GPT and Pictory. So you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. For generating a story, we will use our most trustworthy Chat GPT. Let's do it. To generate a unique and engaging story, we will use a prompt assistant named a perm. Just search AIPRM for Chat GPT on your search engine. Simply click on the first link, then add the extension to your browser. Now you will see a huge number of prompt templates in the public section. Find short story generator template. I am entering some keywords such as a murder mystery, scary, horror element, a police investigation. The story will end with a huge twist. ChatGPT has generated now an engaging and unique story. We need images and footage for our video. It's crucial that the visuals align with the narrative, otherwise, it may negatively impact our audience's experience. However, generating relevant visuals for every scene can be a time-consuming and creative process. And we are lazy. So, we will use ChatGPT again for generating image ideas and make the perfect YouTube script. Now our story has been transformed into a perfect YouTube video script, and there are images or footage ideas for every scene. Now copy the script and paste it into a Google Docs page. Okay. Our video script and image idea generation are complete. Now we will make a video with an awesome text-to-video maker AI named Pictory AI. After login, click on the Script to Video button. This is our script editor. Now go back to Google Docs and copy the first voiceover section and paste it into the Pictory script editor. Do the same process again and copy-paste all the voiceover sections of Google Docs to Pictory. After copying all the scripts, click on the Process button here. Now select one pre-built template form here. For YouTube videos, always select 16:9. Now Pictory AI will generate visuals and storyboard for us. Okay, this is our storyboard. But it generates footage from line-by-line elements, which may not be constant, so we will change the footage. For selecting the perfect footage, we will follow ChatGPT's suggestion. For the opening shot, we need a dark and ominous image or video footage of the old Victorian mansion. Let's go back to Pictory. We will split the first block of our script and unlink the scene. Now click on Visuals here. So, click on the search bar and search for an old Victorian mansion. Then select the footage which is perfect for your story. So, I am selecting this one. Then go to the storyboard again and change the second footage according to your story. Do it again and again with all of your scenes. After changing all the scene footage, click on the audio button here. Now we will generate our voiceover with Pictory AI. There are a huge number of voice models in different languages and accents. Select one of these. Now we will change the background music. Change the purpose, mode, and genre for finding the best background music for your video. I think this one is suitable for my video. To export your video, just click on Download here. Let's download it and have a look at our video.
One murder would unravel the truth hidden within the shadows. Detective Alex Thompson, a seasoned investigator, found himself thrust into a terrifying mystery that defied logic and reason. The victim, Samuel Blackwood, a wealthy businessman, met a gruesome fate within the confines of the haunted Blackwood mansion. As Detective Thompson delved deeper into the investigation, he discovered that the darkness held more than just secrets.